hearty good morning to all. Students, today we'll study about the present perfect and the present perfect continuous tenses. First of all, let's start from the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense refers to an action or event in the past that is connected to the present. In other words, we can say the present perfect tense is used to express a past event that has present consequences. The formula of the present perfect tense is subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object or complement. Object or complement is optional. Example, sentence number A. She has lived here all her life. Sentence number B. They have written 3 letters already. Sentence number C. I have lost my purse. Sentence number D. I haven't seen him today. Sentence number E. My friends haven't ever gone to France. Sentence number F. He hasn't done his homework. Among these examples, the upper 3 sentences are in our affirmative forms and the remaining 3 sentences are in our negative forms. Students, let's study how to use the present perfect tense. Point number 1. We use the present perfect tense to describe an action that began in the past and leads up to the present. Example, the guests have arrived. Point number 2. We use the present perfect tense to describe an action performed during a period that is not yet over. Example, we have eaten out 3 times this week. Point number 3. We use the present perfect tense to describe an action that is repeated. Example, I have played this game many times. Point number 4. We use the present perfect tense to describe an action that happened in the past but is important at the time of speaking. Example, I have misplaced my science textbook. Point number 5. We use the present perfect tense to describe an action that was completed in the recent past. Example, they have just returned from their trip abroad. Point number 6. We use the present perfect tense to describe a state. Example, she has determined not to overeat. Point number 7. We use the present perfect tense with the preposition since to indicate when something began in the past. Example, we have lived in Chennai since 2000. Point number 8. We use the present perfect tense with the preposition for to indicate a period of time from the past to the present. Example, he has worked in that company for 6 years. Students, let's study about the present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense shows that an action that began in the past is still going on in the present. The formula of the present perfect continuous tense is subject plus has or have plus been plus be1 plus ing plus object or complement. Object or complement is optional. Example, sentence number A. They have been trying to rebuild the house. Sentence number B. I have been studying for 3 hours. Sentence number C. They haven't been living here since 2008. Sentence number D. It has not been moving since yesterday. Sentence number E. How long have you been learning Spanish? Sentence number F. Has he been living in London since 2010? Among these examples, the upper 2 sentences are in our affirmative forms. The middle 2 sentences are in our negative forms. And the last 2 sentences are in our question forms. Students, let's study how to use the present perfect continuous tense. Point number 1. We use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about an event that is unfinished as yet. Example, sentence number A. He has been reading that book all day. Sentence number B. We have been shopping at this fair the whole day. Point number 2. We use the present perfect continuous tense to indicate how long something has been happening, usually indicated by the words since or for. Example, sentence number A. I have been waiting for the package since last week. Sentence number B. Tara has been watching television since 7 p.m. Sentence number C. She has been worrying about you for months. Sentence number D. They have been playing football for a long time. Point number 3. We use the present perfect continuous tense to show a habitual event. Example, sentence number A. We have been helping at the local animal shelter every year. Sentence number B. The children have been playing hide and seek on every Saturdays. Thank you.